shuffle. Do those toe steps forward. Rocking. Double boom boom. Boom boom. Again. Rocking. Jabs turn. Roll left. Shuffle. Touch steps forward. Rocking. Start again. Jabs turn. Point and roll. Restart here. Boom, boom. Jabs to me. Roll. We're shuffling. Do the touch steps. Double boom boom. Rocking. Jabs turn. Roll left. Shuffle. Toe steps forward. Start from the top. Jabs turn. Roll to the left. Shuffle. Toe steps forward. Keep it going from the top. Boom, boom. Shuffle. Toe steps.
We got a whole lot of catching up to do.
Keep going.
So put your boots on, we're going out on the town.
Turn to us.
The dance floor, I wanna spin you around now.
Shuffle.
It's about to go down. Have a night bar out on the edge.
Boom, boom.
Boots on, we're going out on the town. There's a dance floor, I wanna spin you around. I feel that it's about to go down. So come on, baby, won't you just
Keep going, keep going. Now roll to the left. Half roll. Big steps, keep them nice and small. We're going to go boom, 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 boom with your rocking chair. Jazz, quarter, point to the left, roll to the left, end with the touch. We shuffle. Shove it to the right, rock back. Shove it to the left. 2 toe steps forward with your rocking or 2 half turns. Weights on the left, see ya.